Look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench, while I'm coming off the court fully drenched. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched. Style doing him in this Burberry trench. These birds copy every word, every inch.
The gang got the hammer in the ring.
Okay. Hi everybody. So today I'm going to be doing a kind of day in my life. I guess you can call it a vlog. It's not really a vlog, but yeah, just basically what I do every day and stuff like that. I literally just woke up. Like, I just woke up. And I woke up because my package came from Ulta. So we're gonna open it today. Well, right now. I got my knife and stuff. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but I just woke up, so, you know. Excuse the mess. Okay. I always get this. This is the free samples. If you order offline from Ulta, always get free samples. It's free. So they gave me, oh, what's this? This is basically Lancome or Lancome sunscreen. It's not gonna focus, but yeah, it's Lancome sunscreen. And then this is, wait. Ain't nothing on here. And then some Gucci perfume. Alright. But I don't care. Because what I really ordered. This is the Urban Decay Naked palette. It's the original one. In case anybody did not know, they did discontinue it. So I most definitely have to grab one as soon as I could. I've actually never had this palette. And I've wanted this for like years. And I never got it because it was $54, and as soon as it went on sale, I was like, okay. So nice. I love when palettes have like the velvety thing on it, like the fabric on it. Oh, and I do have like 3 broken nails, so you know, ignore that. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's how it looks. Okay, it's 10:19, so I'm actually gonna lay back down. I usually don't get up until like 1 o'clock or something. I'll come back at 1 o'clock. I'll do my little stuff, and yeah, I will, you know, come back then. So yeah, I was awoken before I was trying to get up. So yeah, we're going to, what was that? Hold on. I'm gonna go feed my dog now. Okay. This is what we feed him. These are his 2 favorite flavors, but he's tried all of them. Come here. Okay. So.
Damn, nigga.
We gotta chop it up, or he's not gonna eat it. So now, cause he's gonna be done eating like very quickly, and he likes to go outside like right after he finishes eating. So I gotta put my clothes on and do my little routine and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna move to the bathroom. What is it? Oh, so I don't have like a tutorial or like a video or something in a minute. And that's because my face has been breaking out. I'm so sorry if you hear my grandfather coughing and stuff. That's just, you know, how he eats and stuff. But yeah, my face has been breaking out lately, so it still is like right there. There's a lot of bumps right there and stuff. And there was a bump on my lip too. And I think it's because I bought this new product. I didn't read no reviews on it. I just saw it and I bought it. And I just put it on, I started putting it on my face. I really don't recommend that. But yeah, I bought it and it completely broke my face out. So it was some bumps on my eyes too. On like this eye right here. Some bumps right there. And stuff. So yeah, my face is now breaking out. And I'm 100% sure it's because of them drops. Because the only 2 new products that I started using recently, like when this started happening, was the e.l.f. priming stick and the drops. And I've never had a problem with e.l.f. products before. And so I'm 100% sure it's the drops. So I've stopped using them. And yeah, I'm just, you know, letting my skin repair. So that's why I haven't, you know, had a video uploaded and stuff because my face has been breaking out. I've been looking really ugly. So I'm taking a makeup wipe. It's an e.l.f. makeup wipe. And I just like to do this just to get all the products and stuff out because, like, I get my makeup off, but, like, it still be a little makeup on it, like, on your face, like, the days after. Because, like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really... Like, when I take my makeup off, I'm not very, like, thorough with it. I just take it off and go to bed. So, you know, there's always, like, a little bit of foundation left. So, yeah. I just want to make sure that I got all of that. Especially in here, like, in this little crevice of my nose. There's always product in there. Not always, but, like, you know. It'd be product in there. So, oh my gosh. Now that that's done, I'm going to put some water on my face. And I'm gonna use my little what is this, oil-free acne wash thingy. So yeah, I'm gonna use this, and I think I said this earlier, but I do, you know, got my little 3 nails missing. I don't know when I'm gonna go to the nail shop to get it fixed, because, like, I only got like $5 left in my bank account because I don't leave the house. Like, during this vlog, like, at no point in this vlog am I going to leave the house. Besides, like, when I go take my dog walking. And I go literally just down the street, so. When I, like, first started my YouTube channel and stuff, and I knew I was going to do, like, something like this, like a routine or something, like a morning routine or something. I always said I would never show myself brushing my teeth because there's a lot of creeps out here and a lot of weirdos and stuff. A lot of inappropriate people. But I feel like, you know, I don't care anymore. Cause my mom used to, like, you know how your mom is, you know how your mom is, like, when she's, like, explaining to you about, like, stranger danger, basically. And, you know, my mom painted a very, what is it? A very, not scary picture, but, like, basically I'm paranoid and I don't trust anybody that I don't know. I just washed the acne wash stuff off my face. So I'm gonna go back into my room and I'm gonna moisturize, put my clothes on, And then we're gonna take Pepa out. I don't know how well this is gonna stay, but this is a really good angle. So I'm gonna take my EOS stuff. You know, don't judge my closet, first of all. Okay, this is the this. Is it gonna show? There we go. Okay, no, you get the point. You get the point. Oh, and I'm putting just a little bit of this because why not? Need to moisturize. It is cold outside, and you know, if you have eczema, you know, cold and eczema does not mix very well together. I will tell you that. Ooh. And literally, like a little bit of this goes a long way. Look at my skin. What is that? Cause like I bought this bottle from Five Below, and I've just been, you know. Okay, so I usually wear this, my little band warm-up thingy. I usually wear either that to walk him or this. It's like a hoodie. I don't know what I want to wear. Oh, I'm sorry. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop it. Boy. Pepa. Come here.
Bro, just go, bro. Right now, hurry up. Hold on.
No,
dude.
you're not.
Yeah.
No, you are
oh
not.
My God.
No, you're not, Pepa. No. Pepa, no. No. Come on, let's go back home. Come on, let's go back home. Let's go back home, please. Come on, let's go home. Let's go home. Come on. Come on, this way.
I feel like I already am.